Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know all of this color just punched you in the face. You guys aren't used to seeing me rock more of a editorial look, I would say this is. But today is my fourth video for my Allure magazine recreation makeup series. I actually recreated the look in the April 2017 Allure magazine issue. So if you would like to see how I got this look, I don't know if you're going to want to recreate it or not, but if you would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So hey guys, last time you guys saw me, my hair was stretched out full, but I let it shrink down this time when I washed my hair. So my hair is shorter. That's why. This is the look that we're going to be recreating today. It is a yellow eye look with a super bright pink, orangey pink lip. So to start off, it doesn't look like anything particular with her skin as far as the foundation. She does have a brighter under eye, but as far as the foundation, it looks normal. So I'm just going to prime with my Fenty Beauty Primer. I already put it on my hand. That smells really good. I always think that when I'm using it. Well, all of Fenty Beauty products smell good. Well, all of the face products that I have. Just the foundation and the primer make it seem like it's a whole collection. Anyway, I'm still waking up. So if I say something that doesn't make sense, that is why. Okay, so I'm going to show you the back of it because that looked nasty. I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 370. I'm just going to pump a few into my brush and apply it to my skin, blending it in with a Sigma F88 brush. So then I'm going in with Tarte Shape Tape to highlight my face. Well, this is going to be the first step to highlighting. I'm just going to cream highlight first. And then to set, I'm going to use the BenNye Luxury Powder. And then you guys can kind of barely see the differences in all this top row. This one is a highlight. This one is like a white matte highlight. This is a yellow one. And this is a peach one. I'm gonna go in with the white highlights. Or actually, I guess I would say it's more of a pinky white matte highlight. I'm gonna go in with that and go underneath my eyes just to make them a lot brighter under here. You can kind of see that she has it's brighter right here. So I'm trying to do that. And the reason why I didn't set with this is because when I set with the BenNye Luxury Powder, it gives me a more smooth application. This is more of a highlighter and not a setting powder. So it probably, I mean, I'm not sure, but just to be safe, I didn't do it, but it probably would have set my concealer patchy and my face probably would not have lasted as long as it will with the BenNye, just because that is an actual setting powder. And this is more of a, I guess I could say, finishing powder. It kind of finishes off the makeup. So yeah, that's why I didn't use it to set. But it works really nice as to apply on top of your setting powder. Okay, and I guess we can just go right in with the same palette for our contour. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Which I can't really see if she has any contour or anything. It kind of looks like she has on blush. But I'm gonna just go ahead and apply this part. Now for the part that we've all been waiting for. So for the eye look, you can see that her eyes, like, it heavily has yellow right up in here, and it looks like that it's all on her lid as well. So I bought this liquid liner from Sephora. It's actually by Makeup Forever. It's in the shade L40, or just, it's the yellow one, because I'm pretty sure this is the only yellow one. So I'm trying to figure out the best way to apply this because it is waterproof. Okay, so I'm going to apply it with this P82 brush from Sigma. I was looking for something exactly like this, a round brush, just like that. It's kind of dirty. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint the top of the brush with this yellow, and then apply it to my eye. And I didn't do my, where's a mirror? I didn't do my brows first for a reason, because it doesn't even look like she has her brows filled in. So I'm gonna do my eyes first and then figure out how I want my brows to be filled in. So I'm gonna keep painting on this yellow till it's a nice base for the shadow that I'm putting on top. It's applying, like you see how now it's a line? Oh no, this is turning into a fail. It's applying patchy. I guess it doesn't like that brush. Let me just go in with it like this. And let it dry like that. I don't know. Let me go in down here too, because she has that yellow down there. So I'm gonna just keep applying the liner like this, and then we'll go in with shadow on top, and maybe that'll get rid of like the lines that are right there. If not, I guess it gives it a cool effect either way. The makeup artist that did this brought the yellow pretty far in the inner corner. So we're gonna do the same thing. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry. So I'm going to go in with, I know this is a limited edition palette and you guys can't get it anymore, but focus more on the shadows than the palette. So just get a yellow eyeshadow for this look, but I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm using. So I'm using the shade Fresh. If you happen to have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Artist palette, apply this on top of that liner with a Tarte Cosmetics lid brush. It helps the patchiness a little bit, but this liner is crackling. See if I get up close, you see how much is crackling? Like, so if you want to recreate this look, I don't know if you want to, you guys probably just watching to be entertained, I don't know. But if you happen to want to recreate this look, then I would use the NYX Milk eye pencil. It's a white eye pencil, and then I will go on top of it with a yellow eyeshadow instead of using this Makeup Forever liner, because I mean, it didn't say it was meant for this, and it's not. I'm figuring out that it's not meant to be a base like this. So yeah. Anyway, moving on, I'm going to go in with the orange in here. I'm using Orange You Fancy, and basically I'm just blending the edges. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this same shadow on my lower lash line and connect it. Okay, and she doesn't have on any lashes, but she does have on mascara. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. You know what? I actually like the way it looks. I think I gave it a bit more of an editorial look, but I like it. So I actually forgot something she does. I'm gonna show you guys. You can see in her waterline that she has a kind of a cream nude liner in it. So I'm gonna add that to my look. So she doesn't have anything in her brows, so I just brushed mine up to kind of give the same effect. Now I'm going to go and do the scary part, the lip color. So her lips seem like there is a orangey pinkness to them. It isn't just fuchsia. So I'm going to mix together two matte lip creams from Black Radiance. 5412 is the orange one and 5407 is the pink one. No lip liner. I'm so terrified. I think I need to add more bronzer because that lip color kind of washed me out. So I'm going to add the NYX Dark Tan bronzer. I'm gonna add some just brow gel to darken up my brows just because I changed my mind. Thank you guys so much for watching my video all the way to the end. I know this isn't like a wearable makeup look, but I thank you so much for watching. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up and subscribe before you click out of this video. And I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.